Hello, hello, hello. It is such a day, yeah. Such a marathon day, yeah. Ah, woo. Yes, such a day. I say that a lot, don't I? Because it's true. It is such a day. It's such a singing day. And I got to talk to you about going to the gym. Okay? Now, when you go to the gym, you want to work out. But a lot of times, we really, we renege. We go to the gym and we say, I got so much else to do and I can't really go to the gym again today, so we postpone it. Or we go there and we work out really hard and then we don't go for about a week and we go again and it's like, oh my gosh, my muscles hurt me. Because you aren't being consistent. So remember, when you do your workout for your voice, you've got to be consistent. You got to go to that vocal gym. That's what I do. And right here, okay, I'm going to show you. That's my vocal gym. I do my exercises. And how often do I do them? I do them every day. Now, there's maybe a day or two that I don't, but I get right back in it. And my muscles know that I love them because I'm visiting them every day. Sometimes you got to rest, but for the most part, you can't just go every once in a while. You can't just be vocalizing every once in a while. Now, yes, you've got to work your songs. Remember, it's working the muscles to get them used to things. But in your songs, they're not covering everything. But in the vocal workouts, and I put together a vocal workout. And why? Because I needed it, but also I put it together for you. And it's on special. Now remember, specials come and go. So this is that Black Friday thing, and I said, oh, I'm going to join in Black Friday, okay? So up until Cyber Monday, I have a special on my vocal workout course. Now, it's got a lot in it, but the special makes it special. Okay, now look, in the course and with your workout. Now, if you have a workout, that's wonderful. God bless you, you've got something, keep it going consistently. But if you don't have exercises that you're doing, other than just doing your songs, and then every once in a while, or maybe you're on a consistent basis performing, but you still have to go on a crusade of working your muscles out from very low to very high, high to low, being in chest voice, being in the mix, being in the head voice or the falsetto. You've got to do all areas of your voice. And a lot of times your songs don't do that. They do just one thing. But a lot of the time you aren't working all the time. A lot of singers just aren't. And you're not working your muscles when you aren't doing a recording or the performance. And you've got to. You've got to do that. You've got to do 10 times the amount of practicing than performing. And you've got to do it with jumps. You've got to do it with arpeggiating chords. You've got to do it with all of the areas of the transitions, because then your muscles are aware of what to do. And you, more importantly, you are aware of what they need to do. You're in concert with your muscles and you can feel where the transitions are, so that when you're in your songs, you know when to move loud or soft. You know where to go louder on the transition in order to make the transition, how to support, because you've been doing a workout. In mine, I do all of that. And I'm with you. I have modules that explain things. I have the exercises with different ranges. Not only that, but in the course, there's the bonuses in the course where you have separate audios so you can change the vowels. You can go from consonants to vowels. You can do phrases that are in your songs. And I've got also another bonus where all of the exercises are from low to high. So I try to include everything that you would need to make more quality, better sound, better awareness, health for a lifetime. Because singing is for a lifetime, right? I've been doing it for so long. I've been through so much. But why am I strong? Why can I sing, whoa, I can do all these switchings to different sounds and utilize them in my songs because I'm doing my workout. So you got to do it. It's on special till Cyber Monday. Check it out. Go to the website, marquitawaters.com/workout. Check it out. You have nothing to lose, everything to gain. And guess what? In the special, I'm doing lives. Okay? I'm doing lives and there's a replay for them. That's part of the special. It's not in the course. After Cyber Monday, it's gone. I'm doing lives with you, okay? And for the first 10 people, I'm doing privates. And guess what? It doesn't cost you anything for these bonuses if you join the course. That's why I wanted to make it special. I wanted to do this so that I can get closer to you, get to know you, help you, because I care, because I'm a singer. I love singing, and I've been through it. You know, after singing and teaching for so long, I can sense you. I can sense what you need. And I want to give that to you. So check it out, okay? marquitawaters.com/workout. I can get to meet you. I can get to answer your questions. I can get to hear you. I can get to change things so it fits you. Because I care. I really do. I love singing, and I love you, and I love to help singers have a much better time with their voice, okay? Because it's such a day, yeah, such a mighty fun day, yeah. Woo! So much fun, so much fun. Bye, 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 bye.